working on this chessboard and we're about to do our second glue up. We've got 2 boards at 90 degrees, confirming that they're square before we do our final glue up. Here's the chessboard. This is our glue up. Now we're going to put wax paper over it and stack it with heavy blocks of wood to weight it down. And then we'll probably give that 4, 5, 6 hours to dry, and then we're going to glue this whole thing down to a 1/2 inch piece of plywood, and that'll be the base. And then we'll work on the surround. It's going to be a white oak surround that goes all the way around it. Hey guys, so tonight we selected our piece of plywood, cut it a little larger than probably about 1/8 of an inch, 3/16 of an inch thickness. Then we're going to let that dry for a day or so. It's a little cold in the shop, so maybe 2 days. And then we'll come back and run this through the drum sander, and then we're ready to build the base. So it's looking like a chessboard. Hey guys, so we finished sanding. We're gonna call it a night and research our design before we go any further. That's looking really good. It's not final sanded, but that's through the drum sander. So it's looking pretty good without any finish. Hey guys, so my son made the executive decision, since this is his chessboard, and we've got 2-inch white oak with mitered joints. We've got everything glued up, and we just got this done, so we're gonna let it set overnight. We're gonna come back and cut some splines, probably do some walnut splines here, which strengthens the joint so it lasts forever. And then we're gonna sand it. So probably won't get the sanding done till Monday, and then once we sand it, we'll finish it. So probably midweek, we'll have the final pictures of this and play its inaugural game of chess on it. My son's pretty excited. Hope you guys are having a good weekend. Enjoy the warm weather in Tulsa. Well, the chessboard is sanded. Hasn't been completely sanded, but we've got these walnut splines in. This is white oak, maple, and walnut. My 13-year-old son wanted a chessboard a couple of weeks ago, and we're just about there. I think tomorrow or Tuesday, probably Tuesday night, we'll have some finish on here and get to play a game on it later this week. What are you guys up to? We just got the finish on. That's how those walnut splines turned out. We're going to give this probably 5 days to dry, and then 2 to 4 coats of lacquer, and then we'll be ready to play on it next week.